Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a very spring cleaning type mood. So I want to completely reorganize and declutter my computer desk. It is a complete disaster at this moment. So I'm finally going to do something about it. It is literally insane right now. Like, I don't even want to look at it. Some of it literally just needs to be put away in the spot that it actually belongs, but it's just sitting on my desk right now, which I feel like a lot of people do. Before we get into this video, I wanted to let you know that I am currently doing a giveaway for the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded eyeshadow palette. I love this one so much. I think it replaced the original Naked eyeshadow palette, and it is very nice and super versatile. So if you want to win this, all you need to do is be subscribed to my channel, and I will leave all of the information about it, like how long it goes and all that stuff, in the description box below this video, and good luck to everyone. And of course, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I usually do a bunch of cruelty-free like beauty videos. I also do lifestyle videos like this and some like clothing hauls. So if you like that, definitely check out my channel, subscribe, and watch some of my other videos. So if you think you're ready to see what my desk looks like right now and how I will fix it, then just keep watching. Okay, here is a really quick overview of my insanely messy and cluttered desk. This is where I usually get ready in the morning, and I really like to have it be a clean space. So this has been long overdue. I just kept kind of collecting things on here. So the first thing I'm doing is just removing things that I know for sure don't need to be on my desk. Some of this stuff is my boyfriend's, so I'm just putting that in a different spot. And I'm also cleaning some of the products as I go along. So anything like the mirror that you saw, the brush holders that I have, I'm just kind of like dusting it off and cleaning as I go. And this is just gonna make it a little bit easier for me, especially when I get down to like a bare desk. And I like to remove every single thing off my desk so that I can basically start from scratch. And this area right here was actually what was annoying me the most after I had removed all the other stuff on my desk that didn't belong there. I had had this section organized like that for a long time, so I needed a new way to make it look nicer and easier to access. So for my computer, I'm actually going to put it on top of this monitor stand. I got this from Amazon, and it basically just allows you to put your monitor on top of it to save some space on the actual desk. So underneath, you could put other things like books or like a little tray with smaller things in it, but I just decided to keep my keyboard and mouse under there. I also went to Target. I found these two gold wire organizers. One is for like books or files, and then the other one I decided to put things like my planner on top of it so that I could easily get to it, and like a notepad and my iPad. And then in the other one I put things like magazines, some other books that I didn't have anywhere to put, and they're books that I actually do like to look at quite often. And for some other things like makeup, which I didn't end up filling up today because I might do a video on that later, I got this from Ulta, and I will be using that for more like everyday products. And then for the rest of it, I just put back what I knew could actually fit in that space. For all the stuff that was in that section that was really cluttered, I ended up putting them into these little boxes that I had got from a PR package from Urban Decay. I like to save small boxes like this because you never know when you could use them. They became so handy to me for this specifically. And for the section where all of that stuff was, I'm using a small acrylic tray to organize just the things that I use on a daily basis, like some hair products and deodorant, lotion, things like that. And I think it looks so much better. I am so happy that I was able to take my desk from looking like this and actually take the time to put things away like they need to be done pretty much on a daily basis, and just kind of get a few things to organize and make everything easily accessible. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know how you think it looks afterwards, or if your desk looks anything like how mine looked in the beginning. I feel like my life feels so much more on track if I have an organized surrounding, so it was about time that I did that to my desk. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet. Also, make sure to enter the giveaway that I have going on right now for the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded eyeshadow palette. It is one of my favorites. Just check out the description box if you want to know any more about it. So yeah, good luck to everyone. I hope you are all having an amazing day as usual, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.